So first, you want to go to your website browser on your computer, and then on the Google search, you want to search for YouTube TV. And then here on tv.youtube.com, you want to click on it. So just open them. And then here on try 10 days for $0. It can be 10 days, 30 days, 2 days, or so on. So just click right here on this blue one. And then here you want to choose your Google account to sign up for YouTube TV. So just click on them. And then after that, you want to typing in your zip code. So for example, I want to typing in for Los Angeles 1. And after that, just click right here on this blue arrow. And then right here, you have to buy the base plan of YouTube TV to watch the YouTube TV. So for the first time, you have to pay for $72 per month. And then after 3 months, it will be $82 per month. So after that, just click on next. And then you can add more plan. Like for example, if you want to watch NFL Sunday, Red Zone, HBO Max, so you have to pay for the add-ons. But you can also go by the only base plan. So just click on checkout. And then after that, you want to choose on add PayPal on the complete your purchase. So just choose on PayPal. And after that, you will have to enter your PayPal account and number. So after that, just click on start membership. And then if you already have YouTube TV account or you are redirected to this window, what you want to do is you want to click right here on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then after that, on the base plan, you want to click on the base plan. And then you want to click on next. And then again, you want to click on next and then pay with your PayPal. And you can also do this with your add-on like HBO Max, NFL Sunday, like this one. So just click on checkout and then choose PayPal as your payment account. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to pay YouTube TV with PayPal. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.